get the free
Porn.
So smile real big. Perfect.
Perfect.
Now fix me up.
Okay. There.
Yuck! I've been slobbered!
Now, which door for the free?
Porn.
Which one? Which one? Which one?
One.
One? Are you sure?
Yes!
Okay, let's go. I don't see any
Porn.
anywhere.
Sorry, boys.
You'll get no sympathy from me.
We're here for the
Porn. The porn.
There is no
Porn.
Welcome to the jungle!
Every minute wasted is $1 million down the drain. Holy shit.
Are you kidding me?
Sadly, no, I am not kidding.
Shit!
Union break! Call my agent!
Punk round the sink, that better have been a wrong number.
I'm the Jungle King stuntman, and you two will be the stunt doubles for Jungle King's faithful sidekicks,
Donkey Kong and Diddy Kong.
You boys are gonna need wardrobe! There! I wanna be... Captain Hudson! Okay.
But I want to be
The king?
All right.
No, I want to be
Chuck Norris.
There! But I wanna be...
Yay, Luigi?
There! Lights! Music! Sound effects! Action!
Donkey Kong, Diddy Kong.
Quick! Grab mine! Good work! For rehearsal, all we gotta do now is
Kick ass and chew bubble gum.
quiet on the set! Stunt sequence for Revenge of the Jungle King! Take one!
Take one what?
Piece of cake.
Resurrection.
Well, that was real cute, but it's wrong! You gotta hold on to something. Get a good grip on the ass. Okay?
Okay.
Take two!
Fingers.
Fuck was that?
Now wasn't that...
Yay.
But it's... Well, that was real cute, but it's wrong! All right, boys, let's try it again.
Yuck! Yuck!
Take three!
Uh-oh. Shit.
Take...
Oh shit!
Resurrection.
Union break! So how you leaders killed
Hello?
I'll call my agent! What's this got to do with porn? Well, boys, here's your big chance.
Sean Connery.
Stopped by to observate the filming. So let's get it right this time, okay?
Okay!
Take 666!
Fatality.
You're the man now, dog.
I'm gonna make you two
Porn.
stars.
We're two
Perverted. Perverted.
dogs, just me and you.
Perverted.
Two
Perverted.
dogs, we're two chewing our shoes.
Perverted.
Always true blue.
Perverted.
Two
Perverted. Perverted.
dogs, take it away.
It's a trap.
Only I have the brains to defeat you. You will die.
Oh shit!
Too late. Game over, pal.